Hey everyone, sorry about that. Someone just called me, but let's continue. You can still hear it picking up all of that kitty litter. Look at all that in the bin already. All that dirt, kitty litter. You can just hear it picking up all that kitty litter. I really wish this had the agitation of the ball multi-board. It would get a lot more of this out on the first pass. And look how it grooms this carpet. This carpet was completely matted down. As you can look, it agitates over there though. On some parts of the carpet, it agitates better than the others. See? All the way right there. All that dust. Look at all the dust coming into the bin. Look at that. Look, you can't even see that on the carpet. Like, I can't even see it, but all that dust, that looks like carpet freshener. Look at it just come in. And I know the person who owned this residence and that he didn't ever use carpet freshener. So, this is from the last residence. I'm getting out dirt that has been here for a very long time. Let's vacuum this little closet. It's not too bad. All the dirt in the bin. Wow. Picked up a penny. Oh, it didn't pick it up. Look at that. Penny's still there. Now I think it picked it up. There it is. I don't like Penny. Forgive me if you do. Cranes right up against that edge. Perfectly. Look at that bin. It's almost full. All the way around. You can just hear it when it's getting all that dirt out. I love Dyson. Dyson is my new favorite company. I used to be a big Rainbow fan until Dyson really improved their products. And all this mess, and it still smells like a brand new vacuum. It doesn't stink. I've used this for about a week and a half, I think, and no smell. It really does a good job at getting the allergens out of the air before it goes to the filter. Better than the animal, for some reason. You think the animal with people having pets, they improve that, but this, I guess this is better since it's for allergy sufferers, so. Has full machine HEPA filtration. And that's due to the cyclones. We're not even done yet. Anyways, I moved the cord. See, we still have all this kitty litter. The agitation. Again, it's not as good as the ball multi-floor. Grooms the carpet from this direction too. You have to always find the two directions that really groom your carpet the best to lift the pile. Look at that bin. That's crazy. Doesn't smell like kitty litter. Doesn't smell like dirt or animals. Just smells like a vacuum would. Like a new vacuum would, I should say. Because some vacuums smell bad, as we all know. All that kitty litter. Gotta give the vacuum time to do its job. Vacuum slow. See, you can still hear it picking up a whole bunch of kitty litter from this area here. Alright, the entrance where all the dirt will be. Well, not all of it, but a lot of the dirt is right here in front of the door. Where the entrance is to any bedroom is where all the dirt is. Most of it. I love the ball because I can do this. Right here. So I can get as close to the wall as I can and go in the position that I like. Which is like this. So really lift that pile. Alright. Excuse me, I have to move the cord again. This is what happens when I don't have a camera guy. He's been busy playing Xbox games lately. So, give him hell for me, please. Tell him to come back to his job and help me with my videos. Because my videos aren't that good without a camera guy. I mean, the footage is good, but like, how it's put together. You know, look at it, just pull it right in. You can see it in the brush roll. All that cat hair. Cat litter, cat hair. To the edge. See, it cleans up against that edge beautifully. And I love how it doesn't stink. I read up online and it takes about 8 total forward and back passes to remove all the dirt out of carpet. And that's with a good vacuum, like Dyson. Or a Kirby 8 passes, and you may be able to remove most of the dirt out. If you move it slow like this. You see, I like vacuuming slow. I watch YouTube videos and when they vacuum fast like this, I just want to slap them. Because you're not doing anything. You have to give the vacuum time to agitate the carpet, use the airflow to lift up the dirt, or else your vacuum isn't really doing anything. Like if I just did a quick forward and back pass over this, there'll still be kitty litter in there. But if I go slow like this, there's going to be a significant amount less. Or none, depending on how good your vacuum is. But any vacuum will work better if you go slow. I still hear a lot of kitty litter coming up. Alright, I think this room is pretty much done. We'll go over a couple more passes. See what else we can get out. And I am going fast this time. I know I just gave a big lecture about vacuuming slow, but after you do the initial vacuuming slow, you can go a little bit faster. I just want you to have a clean home. That's why I do these, so you'll have the best cleaning equipment. I can still hear it picking up so much dirt. So much kitty litter, sand, all that dust from the carpet freshness someone put down. Behind this door, every little spot. Edge cleaning. All that kitty litter on the edge that we can't even see it's getting. I'm gonna get a GoPro, and I'm gonna get a helmet, and I'm gonna wear it. And that way you see what I see. Let me know if you like that idea. If you think it would be good, if you'd like to see the view from my eyes with the GoPro, and I will get one. Let me know. Because if you guys don't like, you know, because I don't know how shaky it will be. It probably won't be that shaky, just from when I turn my head, but you know. Just let me know what you think. Getting all that kitty litter right here. Looks like someone spilled it or something, and it just got ground in. My friend didn't have a vacuum. Although, I told him not to get one because I have them. Huh? Alright, so that is clean. This carpet is nice and clean. It's really soft, really fluffy. Let's look at the bin. This is insane. I have never gotten this much dirt from one room before. Look at all that sand, dust, just kitty litter and carpet fresh and hair and everything you can think of. Let's look at that. That doesn't look bad. My flash turned off, I'm sorry. But it's not that dirty. And the light bulb in the room blew too. So, actually, it might have been my phone camera that turned off. It was. Alright, so we have this light here. You can see there's no dust there. And let's look in this right here, the center cyclone. And you can't see in there, I'm sorry. But there is no dust in the center cyclone. I'm going to wipe it just to make sure. It's clean. It's clean. None of this dirt and dust went through those cyclones and into the filter. None of this. All of the dirt that I just vacuumed up is now in here. It's in here. It's not in here. It's not in the filter at the top. It's in the cyclones. All of it. I mean, this is a ton of cyclones. I mean, this works better than the animal. That's all I have to say. It filters out better. I don't see any dirt in the cyclone, and that was a ton of dirt. And you saw I did not pause the video one time. I continued it, so I didn't do anything to modify it to make it look better or worse. So let me know what you think about this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.